p.m. on Sunday. Happy Champagne Sunday. I am finally making a cocktail with you. And my fiance is away right now, and so I am making myself some vegan tacos using quinoa instead of meat. Good little trick there. And I figured that I've been working on the house all day. I've just had spring fever, so I've been painting things, I've been tearing things apart. I don't even want to show you the big mess I've made right now, but it's gonna feel good when everything is in its place and when I've purged a few things that I didn't know I had, because I thought I'd already done all my purging, but things add up. So to celebrate, I'm going to make kind of a mango version of a chi-chi. And a chi-chi is sort of a creamy, coconutty, pineapple-y drink using vodka. A little bit different from a pina colada because a pina colada uses rum. So I, of course, have my super fabulous cactus glassware because glassware is where it's at. I have this incredible coconut vodka from Hawaii. I don't know, you can't get this in Canada, that's for sure. I don't actually know if you can get it in the US. We bought it in Hawaii. It's amazing. Just to prove how amazing it is, I'd better smell it. Yep, it's amazing. I also have some frozen organic mango, and I'm gonna use that instead of ice. I don't want this watered down with ice because I'm adding coconut water, and I'm also going to add some coconut almond milk. Ooh, and I even have a little bit of leftover coconut cream. Ooh, that's gonna make it so rich. Excuse me. Wow. Okay, I even have a little bit of leftover coconut cream. I made a lentil curry earlier this week, so I kept the cream, and this is gonna be so good. Oh, and lastly, I'm gonna put a little bit of citrus in it. This beautiful organic lime. So let's get going here. Basically, I'm gonna put 1.5 ounces of coconut vodka. So I've got 1 ounce here, 1.5 ounce here, vodka. Oh, I'm blending this up, by the way. This is a blended drink, so I'm sticking all this into my blender. I didn't just do 2 pours there, I just did a short pour because I didn't want to spill it. But anyway, got my blender here. So 1.5 ounces of, I'm gonna do the juice of half a lime to start, and then I'll see kind of how much that is. So I'm gonna juice into my measure just to see how much comes out, to make sure I've got enough. So that gave me about 1 ounce of lime juice, which you can't really see, but that's okay. I think that's good enough. I don't really want this to be too citrusy, and I'm putting fresh mango in it. So, or sorry, frozen mango in it. So I'm gonna put most of this. And this is gonna be about, I don't know, let's say half a cup of frozen mango. So good. Oh, there's some banana in there too. I guess this is gonna be a mango banana chi-chi. That's okay. I'm okay with that. A little bit of coconut water. I'm gonna put 1 ounce of coconut water. There we go. Just to keep that coconut delightfulness happening. If you can hear in the background, my quinoa is boiling up, and I'm so excited to eat it. I'm gonna put 1.5 ounces of coconut almond milk. Make it nice and creamy. And I'm going to put basically everything that is left of my coconut cream, which is, oh my goodness, excuse me. Keep wiping my face because there's like 1 hair, just one, and it's just around here. So I'm gonna put this big chunk of coconut cream. Oh, that's gonna make it so good. And I can smell it, how creamy this is gonna be. So, creamy and delicious. So this is what it looks like. Got some mango, apparently some banana, vodka, coconut milk, a little bit of citrus. I'm gonna blend that up and just make sure that it's not too thick. If it is, then I'm just gonna add a bit more of either vodka, lime juice, coconut, or coconut milk. So, here we go. This turned out to be the prettiest color. It's kind of orangey from the mango. Smells amazing. So, this way. Always try your cocktails before you serve your friends or yourself. That is delicious. I'm going to take my fabulous cactus glass, pour that in there, and that should be just enough to fill it up. Yes. I'm so excited to drink this. It's been a really, really long day. A good day, but a long day. So I'm going to put a pretty garnish on this. I'm going to take a photo so you can see it in all of its glory. I'm gonna learn to be a better person to film because I keep blocking my face and things like that. But you know, it's all about the things that are important, which is this baby right here. So let me have a try. Oh, that is so refreshing, and it's just what I need because there is so much snow outside here. It's just been insane. So I'm gonna drink this, prepare my quinoa tacos, and I hope you all have a wonderful Champagne Sunday. I will post the recipe up on my blog. I'll put the link below, like right here.